Do you want your English to sound more authentic? Then you should be using wanna and gonna. So, wanna means want to, and gonna means going to. For example, I want to go to the store. You can say, I wanna go to the store. Or, I am going to make dinner tonight. You can say, I'm gonna make dinner tonight. But be careful. These are informal. So make sure you don't use this in a formal situation. For example, don't use this if you're writing a work email or an essay or an assignment for school. Don't use this because it's informal. But you can absolutely use it when speaking to friends. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.